Good morning, traders. Looks like the market's going to start down to about flat today. We're down 0.11% so far, and we still got about an hour to go till the open. Yesterday was a very bullish move. We're still riding up on this trend line. We saw some weakness in the morning, but it ended up getting bought up pretty quick, and we just pushed higher to almost a flat day. We're still, if we get a pullback, we're still looking at the 1297 and then the 20-day moving average as a bounce point. All still very bullish here. We're still overbought, but as we remain in this upward trend, we can stay overbought for a long time, so don't let it discourage you from getting longs. Still be careful with the shorts here. Wait for some break of support areas before really getting short. HDSN on board for a red to green move. Watch for that 218 before you hit this one. IDIX up here in a box. Look for it to take out that highs, or if you really want to short it, look for it to take out the bottom of this box. KERX, a nice flag pattern here at the 312 level. FBN, another flag pattern. We're seeing these patterns pop up everywhere. It seems like every chart has one of these flag patterns, so definitely a lot of good looks out here. Definitely a lot of stocks that are able to be played. Look for a breakout of the 160, target 184. DNDN, another flag. This one's got a lot of room to run, so if it breaks this pattern, it can run all the way up to 200-day moving average without anything in between, so definitely a good one here. Mill, putting in a little range here. We're seeing 332 and also in the 330s. It's kind of messy, so you're going to have to pick your entries on this one, but I do think this is a good looking stock. P-Wave, I'm watching this one again for that break of the 50-day moving average. I take it of yesterday's or 2 days ago's high. See if we can actually get something. I took a loss on that one before. Crocs is starting to come out of this range. I'm going to watch it over the highs just because it's got this huge gap to fill, so it's got a lot of room to run on this one. SWHC, right on that 20-day moving average. Nice little bounce, 3-day pullback. We love those. We're getting a little bounce higher. Look for a takeout of those highs. We may see new 52-week, new all-time highs it looks like. DHI, another box going on. It's already starting to come out of the box, so definitely keep this one on watch. Good strong day, good volume, good close. HGSI, another flag here. Look for the takeout of the 950 area. SWS, another 52-week high breaker. These 52 high breaks can be tricky at times, so be careful with these. They don't seem to be working a lot here lately. They used to work a lot in the past when I first got started trading. They used to be my favorites, but now they don't really seem to be working anymore. It's just always a quick pop and fade. EGHT, it ended up going at the close. I was sitting there watching this one at the close. I saw it just going flat, flat, flat. I'm like, okay, I'll play this thing tomorrow. And what happens, it ends up taking off. So what happens when you take your eyes off of it for 1 second, right? But still look for it to continue on this flag. It can break this high and then at least travel to the top. It's good risk reward on that one. LNKD, another flag here. Lots of resistance here at this 74.80 level. Definitely watch that one for a break. SIGA, nice flag here. We can see this pattern working over and over and over, so there's no reason this one shouldn't work. Definitely keep that one on watch. BGC, still consolidating here. Heat, I don't like heat. BGC, SBLK, still on watch for a dollar roll. It tapped a dollar again, starting to build some resistance there, so it definitely could bust. I don't like this one because it's so close to a dollar, but I like it because it's been tapping the $1 and building that resistance, so it could pop at least to the 106 level. Definitely keep it on watch. MITI, 3-day pullback to a bounce. We're starting to get a little bounce here. Let's see if we can bounce it above this candle. GTIV, still range bound here. Look for a breakout of that 785. SMSI. No clean number on this one, but it's got a little support going at the 175. It looks like it could bounce after this pullback. I'm just going to keep this one on watch for the day. ELN, this one looks like a good short. I got a short for you guys. Here at the 1290 level, it's starting to get a little heavy, starting to fall below the 20-day moving average. It could run all the way down to like the 50-day moving average with nothing in its way. So that's a good one to keep on your radar if you want to short. PHH, still got the flag here. It ended up putting in a little hammer candle, so we could see a move to the 50-day moving average. NXY, range here. ATPG, still watching this one for this break. And date, still looking for a move over that 50-day moving average. There you go, everyone. Good luck today in the market. Make sure you know what's going on, and make sure you have your watch list ready for when everything sets up right. Good luck.